right, gold may be preparing for something historic. According to Saxo Bank, gold hitting $4,000 within the next 12 months is now a real possibility. Not a wild forecast, but a scenario rooted in mounting global uncertainty. Let's break down exactly why that number, $4,000, is now being openly discussed by a major institution. Because the signals, they're flashing everywhere. The Bloomberg Commodity Total Return Index, which tracks a broad basket of global commodities, just hit its highest level since September 2022. It's up 10% year to date and a full 3% in just the last week alone. But this surge is not like previous commodity bull runs. Saxo says this one is fueled by safe haven demand, geopolitical tension, and renewed appetite for hard assets amid macro uncertainty. In short, the world feels unstable. And when that happens, history shows people don't seek speculation, they seek certainty. And for thousands of years, gold has played that role. Saxo highlights three major pressures driving the current moment: concerns about U.S. fiscal sustainability, softening labor market data, threats of tariff-driven supply disruptions. Each of these pressures pushes people closer to physical assets and further from the financial system. And right now, precious metals are leading the charge. Gold and silver are sitting at the top of the performance tables. In fact, gold already hit a record high of $3,500 earlier this year, and since then, it's consolidated, meaning it's holding strong, building support, and possibly awaiting the next major surge. Saxo calls this the consolidation phase, which often happens before big movements. If you've been waiting for a signal that it might be time to explore physical gold, well, this could be it. Quick note before we go deeper, there's a limited time opportunity happening right now. If you request your gold and silver kit from Goldco, you could qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and even receive a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin if you qualify. These kits don't last forever. Click the link in the description to check your eligibility now. Now here's something many people have not noticed. The energy sector has also roared back to life in recent weeks, fueled by summer demand, tighter supplies, and potential Middle East disruptions. That's contributing to a larger trend across commodities. Saxo's head of commodity strategy, Ole Hansen, says, in the chaotic days that followed Trump's Liberation Day tariff attack on major trading partners, the index suffered a top-to-bottom drawdown of 9% before embarking on a recovery that now has led to a fresh high being reached, and in the last week supported by gains across all three sectors. And here's the kicker. Saxo believes these conditions may strengthen the possibility of a more dovish shift from the Federal Reserve. Translation, we could be entering an era of looser monetary policy, which has historically been favorable to physical gold. Because if rates fall or stay flat, and if geopolitical stress keeps rising, gold doesn't just look attractive, it becomes a central pillar of stability. This is not about chasing price, it's about reading the terrain. And the terrain right now is uneven, uncertain, and volatile, which is why many people are turning towards physical assets they can actually hold, like gold and silver. If you haven't taken the time to learn what's happening behind the scenes in these markets, well, now is the time to start. And remember, if you want to understand how you could qualify for up to 10% instant match in bonus silver and possibly claim a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin, request your free gold and silver kit from Goldco today. You'll receive the digital guide, a physical kit, plus video and audio editions. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep shining.